Hey, it's Michael Angelet from Gina and Associates at Keller Williams, coming to you with your June 2021 market update. Update on what's going on both in Georgetown and in Essex County. You've probably heard a lot. The market's definitely busy. It's a really strong seller's market. So if we look at Georgetown year over year, 8 houses sold in May of 21, 8 houses sold in May of 2020. So that's actually equal. But you're about to see some really big differences. Days on market, which is essentially the time between when the house is listed and when it goes under agreement. In 2021, it's 17 days. In 2020, it was 61 days. So it was 2 months last year. We're seeing offers happening on average in 5 days right now, when last year was 37 days. So it used to take a month to sell a house. Now, essentially, they're being listed on Wednesday or Thursday, and they're accepting an offer on Monday. So if we're looking at prices, the average listing price was $496,000. The average selling price was $492,000. So believe it or not, last year, houses were selling under their asking price at this point. 99%, essentially the same price, but just a little bit under. This year, the average list price is $579. They're actually selling at $629. So on average, they're selling 8.5% over. But the really crazy number is that it's 28%. Average prices are up 28% in Georgetown year over year. So for Essex County, I think one of these really important factors right now is we look at the units that are on the market. As of this morning, there were 293 houses available throughout all of Essex County. Last year, at the same time, there were 663. So the actual number of houses for sale, what we call inventory, is down by about 2/3. So that's why everyone is saying there's nothing on the market and we're having so much trouble. Those are the numbers right there. The days on market in Essex County were 101 last year and have gone down to 73 this year. What that shows me is that Georgetown is a super hot market. Essex County overall is a busy market, but that towns like Georgetown, Groveland is pretty similar, are just super, super hot. Average list price are up about 16% and average selling prices are up about 22% as well. Not quite as hot as Georgetown, but still definitely pretty busy. I think one of the most interesting aspects of this market is that everyone's saying that there's nothing for sale. No houses for sale, and I just said that there's no inventory, which is true. But the reality is that we have sold more houses in 2021 year to date than we sold in 2020 year to date. It's not a lot, it's 114 houses, but we've sold in Essex County, 1,840 houses have sold, whereas last year at this point, we were at 1,726. So more houses are selling. The problem is that they don't stay on the market and the prices are much higher than they were last year. So that's our update for this month. We'll be back next month to see how June went. And until then, enjoy the hot weather, enjoy the last few quiet days before your kids are out of school, and we'll see you then.